Ciao nice people and welcome on this new stream of RPG Maker Developing. We left the scripting pending from the last time, so it's 2 weeks of time since now. So last time we started programming the briefing animation, but we didn't complete it. It was still a lot of imperfections. Well, not really imperfections, but there were a bunch of things to fix. Now we retry the code, so we can see it again. Okay, so I moved the maps, so I move it there, the place to test here. No, here. Okay, perfect. This one. This is the perfect map for testing portraits. So for now, it's only... Oh, hi Lolo! How are you doing? Hola! It's Spanish now. Today we are trying to complete the briefing animation of the characters. I also did a change on Leven, because I noticed the structure I did for the hero doesn't really fit Leven. Okay. As you can see, Leven now has short hair. Because I need 3 pictures for Leven, for the briefing animation, because the head goes both forward and backwards. So, for behind and in front of the body. I will see how it goes. I didn't even experiment it, but we will try the briefing animation with 3 pictures. Base body, which will be the only one moving. The head with the front hair and the back hair. The hero that doesn't have a back hair, but just in case, I will see how it goes. I'm game deving too. Okay, yes, let's power dev together. Or I don't know, the developing together synergy will give us a little boost in attack. Okay, so now it's not working because for the demo I used a switch. I should also do take a separate version for the demo maybe, but now I'm not planning on continuing on actually touching the project, the specific project of the game, because I am writing all the dialogue and working with the artist, so now I'm not really editing the game. So they are not moving because for the demo I turned the option down. But if we place it through right away, we will notice the difference. Here we have the briefing animation. There is still a problem though. It's very exaggerated. And also, but other than that, seems pretty fine. Leven also needs some extra work, maybe, for the back hair, but we can easily fix it, maybe. Combo dev. Yeah, we get multiplier 1.2. Also, is it normal? I'm not really sure if... I'm trying to see if there is some other difference, because I see... Yeah, let me make a screenshot. I see the borders much more defined, which is not a good thing. I don't know if you can see, but you can easily see the pixel lines of the characters. Maybe it's normal, I never thought about it. Let's see how it is normally. No, okay, it's the same. You just don't notice it because they're not moving. Okay, I think it's normal after all. Okay, I should check it again, but... Actually, no, I see a little difference. I see a little difference. Okay, let me do something. I need to do I want to compare them? Because I'm worried that this method does the wrong thing or is not the right answer on long term. Since if I get different border patterns, or the game treats my character's borders differently, at the end it's probably not worth it. Unfortunate, since I did an entire stream for that now. But we are still in time to change idea. Unfortunate, because it's a very cool effect. Okay, just a quick test. We got the first picture. And here the second. We can see Levin's borders. Levin's without borders. Seems like a... Well, it doesn't sound bad actually. Okay. One down. No, one up. Okay. Here's the difference. The difference is actually clear. Don't mind the lower body because it's the positioning changes. The hair, actually. Yeah, you can see the hair is... you can see better the pixels, which again, I don't know if it's a good thing. Ooh, hi Phoenix Extra. Nice to see you there. Nice. Hi, nice. Your game is so cool. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Thanks, it makes me happy. Today we are trying to add something extra to the game. I don't think you can see it now. The character breathing effect. The only problem is in this method you more easily can see the borders of the pixels. So I'm trying to see if it works. Oh, thanks a lot for the follow. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Thanks, means a lot. You know how to do coding. It's so cool. Thanks. Yeah. The base coding actually I kinda suck on doing deeper coding like plugins, but one step at a time maybe I can figure out something. I think I'm pretty close on finishing this effect. So if at the end it doesn't really work out, I can easily deactivate it with one switch. So I think it's worth a shot. Okay. Now we got the base part. I need two major things to do. First is reduce the effect, because it's very exaggerated right now. Second of all, we need to place Levin's back hair, which shouldn't be a big deal. Now I'm worried about the reducing the effect because I don't know the parameters of the other plugin. The briefing looks good, thanks. I like it too. The only problem is I think it's a little exaggerated. Unfortunately, I'm using a plugin, but I'm editing it. Because unfortunately, base-wise, you can't go under a certain threshold. So I'm trying to edit it to make it work. So I copied a section of the plugin into another plugin to not tamper with the original. Okay. I should place comments maybe? Range max. Okay. when you draw a face, so as you can notice, the face doesn't change size, it only goes up and down. Sets at 0 range max. Why? I set another condition here. I should place comments, really. so face doesn't resize. Okay. Doesn't wobble. What's the right term? Goes up and down. The second one is when the picture ID is 4 and 7. Should be still the face. So I don't know why I did it twice. Let's see. Where's the base? Okay. The hero's face is 3 plus 1. 11 is 6 plus 1. So yeah. This is the same thing as above. So I don't know why I repeated it. And this is the default case. The max range of the Brit effect. Let's see what happens if I reduce it by a lot. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Because I multiply by power? No, it's another parameter. Okay. So if the range max is 50, I don't know what those values are for, so I need to test the value for value. Let's see, 20. More than half. Okay, it's clearly less evident. The problem is it's super fast. Okay, just for the funny, what happens if I had an abnormal a number? Well, that's not that abnormal, but yes! They ascended! This is awesome. Okay, now they're turning down. Okay, perfect. This only affects the vertical part, the upper part, not when they are breathing down. I love it that the heads pop off. Yeah, because the head, they are not linked. They are supposed to stay on the origin part of the picture. So if the picture lengthens, the origin point goes up a lot. Okay. So this is the original value. I should find a middle ground, probably. Well, surely that was not the answer. Okay, interesting that if I increase this number, it will also change the duration. We saw that while they are going up, it took them a lot of time. So this number influences the duration. Let's separate the value just for adding a comment. Let's call it param number thing. 00050 doesn't change anything. It's just for adding a comment there. Stretch and duration. So if wait, the thing is, this influences duration and this one influences duration since it's a multiplying thing. So I should find a way to reduce the... there's a value speed. We should also change the value speed to check if will help in a way. I love it though it's hilarious. Yeah, it's always funny when they're doing something hilarious. Like when I try to make Leven's walk on the start of the game. I used a sinusoidal math operation, which was very hard to implement. But when it didn't work, when I messed up the formula, Leven was like bouncing up or floating. Anything else can happen, like I mess up with the character coordinates, so they start talking out of screen. Sometimes it's fun. Okay, this is the default value of, well, actually each. I should add another parameter here. Var speed parameter thing, which again, it's the same thing. It doesn't change anything adding a parameter. Helps a lot though to add comments. Before it was, yeah, originally the number was even different, twice the sides. So maybe they are. No, wait, no, this is so fun. Wait. Let me increase this number. This is so fun. Wait. They are so fast now. Yeah! Wait, more! I increase it. Let's increase it even more. And increase this even more. Okay. Yeah! They are oh, it's awesome! They're vibing! They're vibing! Yes! No, I need to save this. Imagine to music. I should make a clip out of I need to make a video to publish it somewhere. It's so fun. Okay, I need to remove this part below. I will note down the parameter. So I can make it again in the future. Because I need to record it. Okay, it's saved on stream, but still I'd better record it in a let's record it now. Never mind. I should maybe just remove the dialog box and, well, the sprite actually. Oh wait, the sprite was the one running the event. Never mind. Okay, here. Okay, this way it works. Okay, I might be adding this. Wait, I should. Maybe for a gag in the game, I should save it. I don't know. Let's record it. Okay. Leven is not yet complete, but for now I can focus on the hero. Yeah, it's perfect. But if we increase the value even more, what's happening? Let's see. Okay, no. Unfortunately, after a certain threshold, you see below the head. But we can still increase the speed without changing anything else. And this is also a way to experiment with the values. Yeah, this is fun in a way. Wait. Higher. It's so fun making games. It's even better! No, the one before, maybe it was the right speed after all. But this is so fun. Maybe this is for an even faster music. Vibes. Yeah. Vibing together. Oh, changed pose! You can see it changed pose. Okay. For a complete scene, I should complete Leven and make her on... not on... Well, how did I call it? Level now it's gray. It's gray because the hero should be speaking. I should make both completely colored. Okay, let me save the values so I can reuse it in the future. Okay. Now let's turn serious. Maybe I don't know. Maybe let's see what happens. They're having a competition. A vibing competition. The point is so funny. Yeah, I should make the hero dance a little more during banters. The point is I need more portraits for it. But yeah, there is a point where the hero does again the I'm always right dance. So I should use the other pose to make him dance in a way. Okay. I was actually worried because I had a part of the game where the hero does the I'm always right dance again, in a banter though, and I didn't know how to make him dance in a banter. Now with the vibing, I think I got it covered. Okay. Rhythm game insert. Actually, there might be some rhythm game reference in the game later. There is a character who loves rhythm game in the game. I'm too a fan of rhythm games actually. So maybe that might be a reason for it. I forgot the initial value. Let's time travel. Okay, 50 and 70. Perfect. How much zeros? 3, 5. Okay. That's a lot of zeros. Let's see if we recover the original state. Okay. Maybe that's not it, but it's getting closer to what I need. First of all, maybe I think they are maybe they're at speed, I don't know. I should reduce the value here and see if we are closer to the right value. No, now they are faster. I should make them slower again. Okay. We are getting at the right value, maybe. Maybe it's still too fast. But not by a lot. Maybe just slightly slower and slightly less stretching. Let's see. Just by a little tweak. Yeah? Maybe they are still... They're still a little faster, maybe. Also need to make a small fix on the head, because I think the head doesn't keep count of the scaling which happens on the body. Which means... it's kinda complex to explain though. The body gets squished a little every time he breathes. And the head doesn't keep count of that. Keeps only count... the head only considers the position of the body, not the squishing. That's why you can see the head going slightly lower where it's expected to be. But seems he's doing well now. Subtle breathing. Yeah, because normal humans usually don't breathe in a, well, exaggerated way. Yeah, something like that. That makes sense, I couldn't tell. Makes sense in my mind. Okay, maybe I can... By showing, maybe I can make it more... I can explain with more sense, maybe. Also, there's another thing, maybe. They are synchronized. Not that much, though. No, they're not synchronized. Okay. Okay, no. They're not synchronized because they... Okay, two problems, actually. First, they are not synchronized, but because they didn't appear together. If I made them appear together, they are not synchronized. Because I removed the random. Then... Actually, there is some variance on their briefing, so that is fine. Okay, first of all, we should add Leven's back hair, finally. Why doesn't she have back hair? Because from last stream I said in last stream I didn't have the separated part of Leven from head and body. Now I have, but I have 3 parts instead of 2. The hero has 2 parts. Because Leven has the front hair and back hair. Hero doesn't have the hair which goes on the body. Here. That's the below part. And the face, we have only one face. Floating head, I called it, and the back head. Which is only one. Because there's no expression change. I also added some colors. I added some random colors here in the case the image is exaggerated and you can see behind. I don't think you can see behind here, but just in case I added extra colors. In this case you don't see the emptiness. Okay. So, how does it work? For the hero it's simple. You put the below part and you put the face. For Leven it's different. I need to put also the back hair. The point is showing characters is binded to this code. So I need to edit the code to allow an extra part of the body to be added. And only for Leven. Okay. First of all, I should save or tell the code which character has a third part of the body. I think it will make everything easy. So, var who has third part. Seems easy. And they should be binded to the ID. Okay, how was the ID? Okay, here. Character ID. The hero has character ID 0. Leven 1. Who is Brea? It's Brian. Well, I added more for experimenting, actually. Yeah, Leven is 1. So that means for the hero, let's say false and Leven true. What is this? It's a array which the value 0 corresponding on the ID of the hero is false. And the value 1 corresponding to Leven is true. That means if I make the code check this string or this array, the code will know if I need to add a third part of the body, the back hair. So, where do I need it? Every time I draw the character. Luckily, I moved every single drawing of the characters here. In the plugin manager, register no, never mind. Here, the God of Overlays drawing, it's literally the name. The God of Overlays draws pictures here. So here it's the code that runs the drawing. It's more simple than I remembered. So wait, oh, there's no comment here. If the breeding, let's revisit it for now because I never add comments, which I need to. This is the, wait, I forgot what this was. Yeah, okay. No. Oh yeah, okay. I remember. The plugin changes the coordinates, so I fix that here because the plugin changes the coordinates of the picture, so I try to fix the problem here by adding what it's missing. Then here, if the picture has no name, it means you have to move it, because this function draws or moves pictures, both of them. So this is for moving, and this is for showing. Ah, okay, I only show one picture, so I need to check before. I should actually do another function to draw all at once. I don't know, because for now I have this thing for drawing characters, which is a loop which draws the pictures in a specific order. I think we can actually work with that, because it's already in the code. No, it's already defined before, because this is a loop that draws the body, the head, and eventually the third part, which on the hero was also the bruise on the face when Leven slapped him, depending on this. This array has the name of the picture I need to draw. If there's no picture, what happens? I forgot. I think it doesn't draw anything. So this is defined. Where is it defined? Here. Okay, here. Here I define what to draw. So I should actually add I was thinking if I should make another function, or just I think I will do another function. I think it's better, because if I need to edit anything in the future, I don't have to edit every single instance where I draw or move the pictures. So let's make another one, similar to the other one. Where is it? Why am I not finding anything? Here. Okay. Function full body drawing. We get the same parameters from the other God of Overlays. Okay. So we can reference to them again. And now we take the one we need. We will take only the drawing ones, because it's the first we see. And we will fix the others if we need to. Okay. First of all, no, that's the second. When we start drawing, I should change everything. I think it was right there. There, here, right? Yeah, it's this one. This one draws the character for the first time. Probably. No, this draws the character every time they speak. Okay, okay. And this one is a loop. The loops runs thrice. But also updates the values every time. I don't think we can actually call this function, but we could at least. No, never mind. I don't think this will do. But we can change the name and use it anyways. I don't know, make it. Yeah, I think it's better to. Yeah, I think it's better to keep it there. No. Never mind, we don't need another function. Okay, so let's keep it simple. I may be overcomplicating. I need to make some bookmarks here. Okay. So this one runs in 3 loops. I will add 1 extra loop. I will see if this creates problems because the hero has the picture ID 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, and the 6th one is for 11, so I need to at least change the values. For now I don't need to though, because the hero doesn't have a 4th picture because it doesn't have back hair. So for now I can ignore it, but I need to see the IDs for other characters later. So I missed the loop here. So what does it mean? Draws a picture in the 1st, 2nd and 3rd loop, and if we are in the 4th loop, should also draw the back hair of the characters. For now, I will just simply refer to it as Levin's back hair since I only have 1 image to draw. I also need to save the path. I maybe also add this value. Where was it? Here. This one saves all the pictures of a character. So if I add levenbackhead.png, it will be saved and drawn later. Now the problem is it will also draw it on the hero. Let's see what happens. It should be so funny. No, but it will be opposite. Why did Leven move? Leven got suddenly so close to the protagonist. Wait, let me remove the waiting so we can see what happens later. No kiss! It happened so many times that they got so close together. Oh no, there's already an official ship. No, no. Okay. I see the problem. Do I? Wait, do I? The problem is clearly on the ID of the pictures, because the hero draws a 4th picture. Wait, yeah, a 4th picture, because I added here 1. But the same ID is on Levin's body. That means, well, I don't really know, but that's the source of the problem. We can just do that if how it's called, my ID. the character ID, yeah. Character ID. If the character ID is the hero. And we are trying to draw the fourth picture. Then we break. We break out. I don't run the rest of the code. So if the... So it means the hero doesn't try to draw his fourth picture. Doesn't solve anything. Oh, because I'm dumb. I need to place 2 equal signs, not once. It always gets me. Okay, okay. Hey, no, okay. The back hair... Okay, no. The event doesn't have back hair on the first instance here. Why? Why she doesn't have back hair? It's clearly here. This should be the code of... maybe I don't have to place PNG at the end. Okay, okay, we are close. We are pretty close. Kind of wrong, but... Okay, I might get why there's the problem. Do I? Yes. Because the problem here is because I drew the back hair, and then when a character speaks, every other image not of the character goes down. But now her back hair isn't considered of her character. So I need to change the code for that. I need to make a important edit here though. Also, another problem. The back hair of Leven should be on the back layer, right? So I did it wrong here. We have a lot of things to change actually. Okay, first of all, we should place the back hair first. So I should change the value of the characters. The ID. Those values are, well, let's note it down. Starting ID for drawing the characters. If I draw the hero, the body will be number 3 and the head will be number 4. And the bruise from the slap is number 5. From 6 on, it's 11. But it's only 3 numbers. So I might need to have 4 numbers, but this changes a lot. So, for simplicity, let's edit the values and see if anything... I think a lot of things will break. Let's see. Okay, not that much, but the hero's head is not moving anymore because it's linked to a specific value. Yeah, here. Number 3, number 6. Which were those values before. We just need to change them. So 5 and 10. I should link them to all to a variable, but for now let's do it like that. And here 4 and 7. The next value should be the body value. Okay, so 5 and 10 are the body. And 4 and 7 are the head. We should change it though, because we need to draw back hair. Or we can kinda sucks though. We can add the back hair as the previous value. So here it's 4, then it's 9 here. I don't really like it. We just need to start drawing the characters with the back hair. So let's see. Let's go for 11. So back hair 10. Body 11. Front hair expression 12. Okay. Bruises 13 for the hero. Okay. So here, instead of the body, we have the value 11 and 6. While here for the head, we have the value 12 and I already 12 and 5 probably. Now it doesn't work because I need to change also the values here. I'm making some heavy changes here. I hope I don't have to update the demo in a short amount of time. Actually, it's not that bad. I just need to add a... First of all, I need to move the back head thing here before the others. I should actually... I can make a condition here. I think it's easier. So, if there's 11, let's have the value hair, back hair name here. Perfect. No, wait. We have to define it. Okay, we define the variable back hair name. Should I make it empty? What's extra face? I hope it can be null. Yeah, okay, it works. Hopefully. Okay, so if we have 11, we can add the back hair name as her back hair. So we don't need to hard code here the full name. Perfect. Let's see what happens now. I don't think will happen something good, but yeah, floating head. That's because I don't really know. Let's remove the loop restraint here. Now Erika, the hero will to draw the fourth image, but the fourth image is the front head, so something went wrong. Ah, wait, and now what's happening now? I don't get it. Did I not change some value? There we go with image ID plus 1 plus Y plus, no, Y it's plus I. So they can go between the base value of image ID, which is oh, this I didn't change this formula. Okay, I get it. Maybe this formula is to determine in which position I may... I did a mistake, maybe. I should add an extra variable. Pick ID difference, which tells how many IDs a character drawing has. So we know the next character will be 3 character IDs later, or 5 in this case, instead of just making piece by piece, case by case here. Okay, this is easy. No, this is done. The problem is it may happen later. Doesn't seem so. Okay, okay. Let's see. Ah, here. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the point is I did it even later. I need to replace it again. Here. And here. Okay, okay. Then here even. Ah, that's a big problem. I don't think I would add more pictures. That's it? I don't think I solved everything, but maybe enough. Oh, now we can see. The event has back hair, but for now it doesn't move with the body. The hero still doesn't go well. Also, Leven's hair doesn't get gray. Well, she doesn't get old now, but I mean, yeah, because I need to change this value again. I hope it will not crash because there are. I added 5, but characters for now have only 4 pictures. I think it's fine, okay. Let's parameterize this thing. Where it is, y minor than 3, okay. We can replace everything. Okay. Minus than 4 for the other case. Just in case we will change it in the future. Oh! Undefined. Pick ID difference. Where's the undefined exactly? Let's see where I messed up. Okay, I messed up. Here maybe? No, I messed up here. Why here? And why not the others? I can change it to 5, but... Ah, okay, I get it, because this is the part where the game draws the pictures. So if it doesn't have any sort of reference, the game doesn't know what to do. Let's add an empty picture, so the game will be happy for now. Well, I still want the game to be happy, okay? And now it, well, almost works, okay? Almost. Too many floating heads. Why the hero's pose doesn't appear? It might be a problem like last time. That there is the body, but it's far away. Let's see. Yes, it is. It is. Okay, I get it, maybe. Last time we moved... No, but we moved everything. Maybe it has to do with this part. No, I get it, never mind, I get it. Now the plugin... No, wait. No, wait. The plugin that activates the effect is binded to the characters now. Here. I activate the briefing effect for every single picture I insert. So that can't be a problem. I thought I solved it before. For now, let's fix the values here. Okay, so the picture ID. First of all, here I think it's... Why picture ID -1? Okay. Oh no, I need to think about all of this. I should have... Maybe because I need the extra values. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I need a bunch more for Leven, because she goes up to 14. As the idea of the picture of Leven. Why is this so hard to add effects? Of the right amount. I don't even know if the effect is any good at the end. Okay, this one... Oh. Why does it work with the previous value? Now it's different because before the head was the next index than the body. But now... Let's see, set his face. It's easy, face. No, now it's the same. The only difference is they are one index up because the first is the back hair. Yeah, it's the same. So I shouldn't edit anything else here, maybe. Let's see if miraculously something changes. Or in any case, I should keep it open. No. So the body goes down. What happens when... Well, happened this. Okay. It's just lower. I had this problem even before, but I don't know how we solved it. I think I made an edit that only the body will go down or up. But I don't remember... I don't remember where or if really I did it. Oh, I should check for... Well, first of all, what happens if I remove the breathing effect? Because this is for, of course, linked to the problem. Yeah, I suppose. I guess so. So maybe I just need to find where this happens. Here maybe? I change a value here. Yeah, every time I draw a picture I add values. The offset X. The point is with Leven it works. And it's a negative value. It's a negative value, so it means it should go up. It means it doesn't work. It doesn't apply. Why? Also, I subtract it at the end. So I sum it. What happens if I don't add it? Maybe the Y. Is this music from Liza? Oh, okay. Wait, weird. It doesn't... Ah, okay. Woohoo, they are really ascending now. Yeah, I figured it wasn't a wise move. I just wanted to try. So only the hero, first time, it doesn't throw correctly. I'm getting crazy over this. I don't have many ideas. Also, I don't need this value, probably. Okay. Briefing effect. Is it linked to the fact that the hero doesn't draw an extra picture? No, it can't be. The coordinates are different from one drawing in the other. That's the weird part. Maybe there is something I didn't fix or correct. Let's see. In the get picture coordinates, maybe. I have a remember matrix that saves the coordinates of every picture. But it's the drawing picture of the hero, so there can't be an error here. Let's see what happens if I deactivate it. I think it doesn't change anything at the end, but let's see. Actually, it's very worse. Never mind. Also, this does not update the values of the remember matrix. This one does. But again, the remember matrix doesn't even have time to create since the hero spawns, so that's not a problem. Let me launch it again. Leven works. We should actually take some time to appreciate how Leven works, though. I didn't check how Leven works, actually. It was too focused on the hero. Oh yeah, I forgot. We should fix her hair first. It's pretty simple, actually. Because this is the code that moves the front hair. We should also make it work if it moves the back hair. So if the picture ID is 10, I shouldn't add every single value here, but for now let's hardcode it. Just to see how it works. Oh no. What's now? The hair went away, right? Her hair is below, okay. I wasn't expecting this twist. Why, though? It's the same as the... Ah, I get it. I get it. Because it works if it's the head. Because it will take the value of the picture below. But if the back hair, there's no picture below. So I should make a condition here. A simple way to do it. I don't know. Let's make a simple one. If this picture, I don't know it. First of all, let's set a, I don't know, let's call it difference value. It's for number to add to find the referenced picture, the body. So we can add the difference here. And the difference will be negative if the picture ID is 10 for now. Okay. At least this one should work. No. Why? Why? Get it? Never mind. Why doesn't it work? Picture ID plus difference, and difference is a value. Right. The problem is this one. It was. It was. Did I spell something wrong? Did I? I don't get it. Why it's wrong? I spelled everything correctly. Property of undefined. Reading why? Why? Maybe because difference was 1. Really? Ah, maybe because I'm reading a different picture. A picture that doesn't exist. I got it wrong. Yeah, maybe I got this value wrong. So, if it's the face, it should read the one down. If it's the back hair, it should read one value up. That's right. I don't get it. That's right. If the picture is 10, it is 10, it should read the 11 value. Oh no. It doesn't get... Oh no. It might not get the value because it gets drawn before. Ooh. That hurts. Okay, we still can find a solution. We just invert the order of drawing here, but it's very annoying. We just need to change the first order of drawing, actually. Because it's the only part where we draw something. Still very annoying that we can't have the value of another thing because we draw before another one. Okay. What's pos x? Pos x? Why do we change this value every time? We can make it a little more ugly, but technically better. We run this command 4 times. But the first one, 4 times, which is plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. But we run first the body, which is the 1, and then the back hair, which is 0. Kinda ugly, but it works. Hopefully. Nothing is on screen! They went away! What did I do wrong? I get it, yeah, I get it. I forgot which part of the picture to draw. 0, no, 1, 0, 2, 3. Why there wasn't an error? I don't know. What's now? No. I'm about to cry. No, I'm fine, I swear. I'm fine. Really? What's the problem now? Maybe here? Position of the moving... I'm getting crazy over this. Doesn't read the Y value of something. Probably this one. Ah yeah, it is this one. I just randomly stumbled upon it. I just need to do the same thing. Picture ID plus difference, picture ID plus difference. It's the same thing. Same identical thing the line later. Okay. We didn't solve anything, but at least it's working. Okay, a small break. What happens if we don't use this breathing effect? At the end, was it really worth it? At least it works. Without the breathing effect, it works. Oh, actually, they're not doing the jumping animation when they change pose. This is worrying. Yeah, because it's also drawing pictures when I change the jump when I make the jump animation. The jump picture pose change animation. Where is it? Probably here? Okay. Yeah. Here draws the pictures. All 5 of them, though, I don't see the problem. I'm getting crazy over this. I don't even know where the problem is. What happens with the breathing animation on? Do they still jump? At this point, I don't think so. Yeah, they just change the pose without thinking, without making any sort of movement. Why? They should go down. Maybe they reference a picture which is not the right one. Let's make an experiment. Let's move the back hair to the front now. It will... let's remove also the breathing effect because it will cause problems. This way we can see if in a way we reference something in a wrong way. Yeah, okay, no, now it works. I think we just reference something wrong. At least I got the problem right away. Okay. Let's revert to how we were before. Now the jump effect doesn't work, but I need to make this change, maybe, probably. I should also, maybe, I know, I have an idea. We should make also a matrix to body part position in case we want to swap the body parts position without doing a mess, making a mess. So, how do we make it? We can use... You can make just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. And later, if we want to swap a bunch of them, we just swap the numbers here and the program will keep care of it for me. What does it mean? If I want to reference the body, I just add +1 to the base ID of the picture. If I then swap it with another thing, I just change the value here. I hope it works. Okay. Let's return to the jump. Here, the jump. The pose change jump. Pose change jump. So, find... This for finding the length of our picture. Values. Width. Hit the ID. Oh, wait. Wait, I do it only for 2 pictures. That kinda sucks. I should do it also for the third one. Right? I do still see why it's not working though. It's not working, clearly. It's another thing later. Is it? Image ID. Also the 11 walking, I did another in a scene in the game. It's not working now. I need to fix it later. Pick ID difference. Yes, image ID plus I. Wait, why it's repeating? Okay, yeah, I get it, yeah, I get it. This one updates the image, and the next one moves it. But I need to make a... That's not good written. That's not a very... No, it's not written in a good way. I need to repeat... I need to make 2 loops for moving a picture. The second one is for... First one is for updating the picture, the second for moving it. And we have 2 loops now. That's it. I'm honestly surprised if it works now. It doesn't. Only because the pose, it's not on the first place. Why is that? Because there's the back hair. I want to test it with some other Levin's back hair, but it doesn't make sense because it's the pose is or on the second spot in the array, on the first spot in the array. We move both of them. We move first and second spot with every time. You find pictures, the ID, the width. This part is pretty ugly though. You draw the first 3. We could make a loop even there, but I don't think this is the problem. And then it makes the jump. Doesn't seem to make any sense. But I really want the briefing animation. It's so cool. It's so nice. Well, also helps the dynamism of the scene. I feel so close to making it. So close. Okay, let's make this. We find a problem to the jump animation after we swapped the picture IDs, and next time we complete everything. I think that's a good compromise. The picture swap, for now, it's a problem. I should probably make in a loop also the moving down the picture, otherwise for later changes it won't work either. And again a test. Let's swap the values again, like they were in original. And let's see if now there's a problem. Okay, it works. Levin's hair, though, doesn't change color while going down. So there's a problem also in that part. Let's see. Sorry. Here, the darkening. Ah, okay, because there's not even a loop here. We should make a loop here, just for being more practical. Then picture plus I, and done it. Easy. At least now picture should darken correctly. You can see it very well here because I made a very big zoom out, but now it's working perfect. I should make a test to see if her hair makes the jump correctly. No, that can't be the problem because nothing does the... I'm talking about the small jump the character does when it changes pose. This one. Which seems almost the character moves. When I make the swap here, nothing works anymore. I don't get why. I don't get why. It's just a swap. Maybe because just an hypothesis, I get the wrong value. The specifics, I get the wrong picture size because I reference the wrong picture now. Because, where is it? Here. Because this code gets me the size of a specific picture. So maybe I need to take coordinates of a different picture now. Now it's referencing the base picture. Now I need to reference the picture later. The base bust. The base body. And here, okay, perfect. Image ID +1 again. If this doesn't solve it, I don't know what. Because since I changed the position, no, it's not working. I thought that I need to reference the same image I referenced before. Doesn't seem to do the trick. So manager, children find object, children length. I don't remember what this does, but the thing it does at the end is getting me the right size of the pictures, so I can scale it properly. Yeah, I think I get all the pictures here. Let's not be copyrighted on Zelda music without commentary, please. But I'm kinda stuck here. Here I get the result code. I get the coordinates from the code below. Well, I get only one coordinate, but all the coordinates are the same, usually. Let's make a test, why not? No, it was... console.log, and we get the picture coordinates of all the picture of a character, just to see if something is wrong. I do this when nothing happens, nothing helps. I use the console log. Now, doesn't... Wait, did I say... Wait a minute, this one doesn't get called. If I say here, crash the game, .x, there will be surely a problem, right? That's not even how the crash game works. But the point is, the game doesn't run this part. The game doesn't run any of these. Why? Let's see. I call it there. I get it. I get it. The problem was here all along. I check if the previous pose changed, but referencing the old image ID. So I need... I don't still remember how it works, but I need to change the referencing ID. I'm missing where it was. Here. Perfect. No, wait. Wait, let me return back. Yeah, okay, the problem was here. I'm saving the current pose of the character on the variable pose in Italian. Saving the first value, which is not anymore the right one. I should put here instead. Let's do the things more correctly, maybe. Body parts position, the second value. Okay, now it's probably fixed. That's why you use parameters for every code. Almost there. Something at least changed, okay? Something at least is different. I was hoping it wouldn't be a problem. Again, though. That's... Is it again because that I draw the picture in a different order? I hope not. Well, since we are here... Where's the... Here it is. Okay. 023, 023, 023, 023. And it crashed because I asked the value of the fourth, which doesn't exist. Okay. So it's not a problem anymore. Yes! Oh, the feature we did on another stream, now it's returned working. At least that. Okay, okay. We should probably remove the... No. Because the problem is, unfortunately, still standing. The briefing effect doesn't align up the hero correctly. Hello? Okay, this connection is a little anticlimactic, but I said before I would continue this part next time, because seems doesn't seem too much left to do, but we should maybe get fresh next time. This part was really hard to do now. I also need to fix something else because we should use something in a simple fun fact. Let me deactivate also the breathing effect before ending a small fun fact. When the game is launched in dev mode, in testing mode from the editor, you get 2 extra options. One is for hiding the title menu, so I can get a clean shot here. I added it recently. The other one, it's for specific death options, death quotes. And also, if I select new game, I can choose to go in screenshot mode, so I can return to specific spots of the game without having to change every variable. I changed it exactly there because now I changed the Leven's values, so it's a hero going away. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, because now the hero has the value of Leven walking. The exact one? The exact ones! That's an incredible coincidence, actually. Okay. That was the last thing for today. We did a short stream today, but developing is hard, okay? And developing alone is harder. So we will continue it next Thursday. After all, I have plenty of time for developing Respawn Banter, and I'm not making the spoilery stuff on stream, so we can in those streams make all the other things around, so fixing the briefing animation, where we are close. Not close enough, I suppose. Depends on the next time. I didn't even know how if I would try to fix it out of stream, because I'm probably thinking about other things. I want to fix, though, the part of Leven not walking. Okay. For ending the stream, we can go to... there's a lot of people online. Let's go to Queen of Pockets. They're playing Escape Simulator, so... gives me some The Escape vibes, right? Okay. Hello, friend. Yeah, after or before the crash? No, we're fine. Hey, Emma too. Okay, thanks again for coming by. Just for the note, I'm using my mobile internet after the crash, just to avoid waiting too much time. We are continuing this game in 2 weeks. Next week we are still developing, but we are making a small project, only stream only. We will still have fun. It's even more easy because we are not doing complex stuff like this. We are just doing basic events, so we'll be with more content, hopefully. Okay, thanks a lot for coming by again. And we see ya whenever happens!